Welcome to Success Streams 2025. In today's video, we'll be diving into how you can start freelancing in 2025 and begin earning money online. Freelancing is one of the most flexible and lucrative ways to work remotely, and with the right strategy, you can build a successful freelance career. Let's get started with this step-by-step guide. Step 1. Identify your skills. First things first, you need to identify the skills you can offer as a freelancer. Ask yourself, what are you good at? Whether it's graphic design, writing, web development, or social media management, there's a freelance opportunity for almost any skill set. If you're unsure, you can take free online courses to level up your skills and stay competitive in the marketplace. Step 2. Create a strong portfolio. Next, it's crucial to create a portfolio that showcases your best work. This will help potential clients assess your capabilities. If you're just starting out and don't have client work, create sample projects or volunteer for nonprofits to gain experience. Your portfolio is your virtual business card. It should reflect your skills, professionalism, and expertise. Step 3. Choose the right freelance platforms. To get started as a freelancer, you'll want to choose the right platforms to find clients. Some of the most popular platforms in 2025 include Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and TopTal. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for specific skills. Don't forget to optimize your profile with a clear professional picture and a well-written bio that highlights your strengths. Step 4. Set your pricing. One of the most challenging parts of freelancing is setting your rates. In 2025, it's important to research what other freelancers in your niche are charging. Start with competitive rates and adjust as you gain experience and testimonials. Don't sell yourself short, but also ensure your prices are reasonable for the services you offer. Step 5. Write winning proposals. When bidding for projects, your proposal can make or break your chances. Always customize your proposal to the client's needs, showcasing how your skills align with their project. Keep it concise, professional, and show enthusiasm for the work. A well-written proposal can help you stand out from other freelancers and win more gigs. Step 6. Deliver excellent work and get reviews. Once you land your first gig, the key to long-term success is delivering high-quality work and ensuring your client is satisfied. Always communicate effectively, meet deadlines, and exceed expectations. Happy clients will leave you positive reviews that help build your reputation, making it easier to land future work. Step 7. Network and build long-term relationships. Freelancing isn't just about getting individual gigs, it's about building relationships. As you work with clients, aim to build long-term professional relationships that can lead to repeat work or referrals. Networking within your industry or on platforms like LinkedIn can also help you connect with potential clients and collaborators. Step 8. Keep learning and growing your skills. Finally, to stay competitive in 2025, you need to constantly improve your skills. The freelance market is always evolving, so stay up to date with industry trends, learn new tools, and keep sharpening your expertise. There are countless free and paid courses available that can help you expand your freelance offerings. Freelancing is a great way to earn money online, and with the right strategies in place, you can start building a thriving freelance career in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Success Streams 2025 for more tips on making money online. Good luck with your freelancing journey. Thanks for watching.